Tango down, tango down!
Hey guys, welcome back. Grubandtherangerz here, and today we'll be using this Marui M14. The current game mode we'll be playing is kind of a two-man Hunger Games. If you're shot, you wait there for either an enemy player to come tap you and you're out, or for a friendly player to come tap you and you're back in. It goes until one team is standing left. You are welcome to make alliances, but at some point towards the end you must shoot each other.
I'm gonna start sneaking. Watch it, watch it, watch. He's right here. Watch him, watch him. Oh, hit! Hit! We got each other at the same time. Oh, is that all I have to do?
Are you guys both down?
Yeah, I got both of them. They're at the other side respawn. Is Patrick alive? Kyle's coming, watch it. That's two teams? Kyle's coming, watch it. Kyle's trying to get us. Left side. He's coming from the spot. Okay, I see the sniper. Yeah. Just watch this. Yeah, he's crawling. I can feel it. Oh. Hey, can you cover me? I think I want to bum rush him. Can you cover me? He's to my 12. He's on the tires left of the enemy respawn. You see him right there? He's to your direct, like 12. You got him? Oh, suppress him, suppress him, suppress him, suppress him. Did I not hit you? No. What? Dude, that like... What? Middle building, Kyle's in. Oh, he's in the little netting. Watch the right up there. Sniper! Oh shit, sniper on the tires. Oh, hey, dude, they're teaming up against the four of us, all of them. They're rushing, they're rushing. Watch it, they're right there. Just make sure you got your left covered. I got a little peek hole right here. Just let me know if they come right. Yeah, I don't have range on them. Just watch it. Oh, they're peeking out from the middle building. I got him. I got one. Oh, Kyle's reviving him though. Where is he? I heard that was close. Where is he?
I don't know. He's gonna try and get you.
Just watch it. That sniper's up there. So is Patrick. Son of a... They're at that middle building, just so you know. I think I may have gotten one. I don't know. He's pushing us hard though. Watch it, he's right there. I may have gotten him.
Sniper?
Yeah. Reloading. Do we know where these guys farther left? Oh!
He's right there.
Oh. I'm hit. Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. Sniper. Oh! Hit. Okay. You got hit? They're in the middle building, those little bastards. They're in the netting in the middle. We need to push him. Just watch this window right here. Son of a bitch.
You got eyes on Sniper?
Yeah, oh geez. He's all the way up there. I got this, I got this. Hey, rush the bungalow with me and we'll take it. Hey, support gunner, can you shoot at the bungalow they're in? Go. I'm crossing, I'm crossing.
Come here, buddy.
Hold on, move.
I really don't want to shoot anybody this close. Got a fucking thermal barrett? God damn it, what the fuck? You dick.
Dead. You're dead. What are you doing?
I ain't dead. Fuck you. I don't accept that.
That counts as a kill.
My buddy shielded me.
No. It's a jump.
This is a stupid spot. You serious? I had to go and reload my mags. You getting up on me with that shit?
They ganged up on the hill. But, ah!
Oh, my bad.
Ah! He's right up there. That was a little overkill, but he revived him and I was like, doop.
Alliance.
Don't they have Alliance on the hill anyways? He's right there. He's right there. There's snipers over here. I think I should rush them. He's like right here. Oh. Hold on, I'm gonna go around. You got me covered?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! Medic!
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Until next time, check out one of these few videos. We got some Operation Faded Giant knifing goodness. We've got some more just random gameplay and some TTT. And then over here, feel free to check out our vlog channel if you're interested in just other things other than Airsoft. You know, just other things if you're just bored. So until next time, guys, comment, rate, subscribe, and stay frosty.